Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to be painting this super cute Santa Claus and reindeer in the back of a pickup truck. And this is a paint by line, which means that all of the lines here are etched into the cutout. You don't have to purchase a template or freehand any of this. The lines will be etched in, and you're able to just go in and fill in those lines. I'm going in right now with the color Pine Cone, and I'm going to paint the majority of this reindeer. And this is a product I'm really excited about. We've had a lot of you guys ask us to do this tutorial. So even though it's July, I am going ahead and doing that for you guys because you're so excited about Christmas already. So I want to get this out there for you guys to start working on. All of the colors that I'll be using today, like I said, Pine Cone earlier, they are Dixie Belle colors. And if you guys want to learn more about the Dixie Belle colors or purchase those, or if you would like to purchase this cutout, you can check them both out at buildacross.com. That is our website. And if you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to message us or write them below in the comments, and we will be happy to get back with you and help you guys out however we can. I just went in with the color Putty to paint the antlers and also Santa's face. And now I'm going in with the color Honky Tonk Red, which is the brighter red of the two that I'll be using today. And I'm painting the nose on Rudolph and also Santa Claus's hat. I'll be using Barn Red in a minute for the truck, which is just a deeper red, more of a blood red. And it's usually the color I actually, it's like a go-to for me. I really like the deeper red, but I love how this turns out with the brighter red and the deeper red used together. I'm going in right now with the color Cotton, and I'm painting all the fur on Santa's hat and the little different things that I will need to be white. Also just a tiny little bit of his beard you can see there. The color I'm using is Cotton, and it is Dixie Belle's Whitest White. And for this project, I will not be going in and doing a second coat on the white. The white is the only color really that sometimes I have to go in and use a second coat with, just because white is very hard to get opaque. But as you can see, it really is still wonderful coverage, and so I kind of just take that project by project if I need to do a second coat or not. And as you can see, I went in with Barn Red, and you can tell the difference between Barn Red and Honky Tonk Red, and just how much brighter Honky Tonk Red is. And then I'm going in with the color Hurricane Gray for the back glass, because I usually go in with either like a blue or a light gray, but I wanted to go with a darker gray to kind of look like it's nighttime, because that is when Santa and Rudolph would be riding out to give us Christmas presents. So I wanted to keep that in mind, and I really love this charcoal color, and I'll also use it to paint the bumper. And then I'll just be going in with black to paint Santa's gloves and the tires. And then after that, I'm going to give everything plenty of time to dry completely, and I'm going to go in with my Sharpie Brushstroke marker. Again, this is a Brushstroke marker, not the normal Sharpie. We purchased these on Amazon, and we really love them for these paint by line cutouts because you have so much control. And as you're going to be able to see, the lines are just really precise, and it's made my life a lot easier. So of course I want to let you guys know about it. But if you feel more comfortable using paint, that is perfectly fine. I would recommend a number 0 round and some watered down black paint, and that'll work as well. But I also just want to let you guys know about these markers. And of course, this is the part of the project that'll probably take just a little bit more time, because you have to go in and do all this detailing. But to me, it's the funnest part, because this is when it kind of comes to life and everything kind of starts to take shape. So I really enjoy this part. And then after this, I always go in and highlight everything, because right now, as you can tell, the project just looks a little bit harsh with the stark black line. So I like to go in and brighten it and soften it up with a little bit of highlighting. And I'm just going to be using white for that. And I usually use either a number 2 or 3 round for my highlighting. And I'm just going to do some little squiggles on the back glass, and then after that I'm done. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Make sure to let me know what you think, and if you have any questions, below in the comments.